Hi there. My name is Brandon Checketts. I'm the CEO and one of the owners of XCart. XCart is an automotive e-commerce platform. We're one of the best automotive platforms for selling car parts and any sort of car accessories online. Our solution is tailor-made specifically just for the automotive industry. So we have a lot of cool features there that we like to showcase. One of the things that I wanted to do in starting a new project here is we're going to start by building a store completely from scratch. Start by building a store. We're going to go all the way through the whole process from our ideas and concepts for the store. We're going to go through buying domain names. We're going to go through getting products, creating listings for them, putting on all the fitment data, all the way through creating shipping methods, and eventually through hopefully marketing and advertising stuff. So one of the reasons we wanted to do this is because we work with quite a few customers, but we don't want to show the insides of their store or show details about how our customers are working on things. So one of the best ways that we've found to do this, I've done in the past, is to actually just like demonstrate it and record our own video as we go. So we're not so focused on making a multi-million-dollar e-commerce store on our own, although I think that's a possible outcome. But we're going to go through that and hopefully showcase a lot of our features and the step-by-step processes that we take to go through these things. Now, some of this we're going to go through. We might not do it the fastest or the most optimized way because we do offer a lot of features, automations and integrations that make that process easier, but we're going to go through kind of the manual way so we know the step-by-step way of doing it. And then obviously towards as we get more into it, we'll probably pick up and do some of those integrations where we can do some of the stuff a lot more automatic. Anyway, I think it'll be kind of a fun project to go through to start from scratch and see how it goes. We'll be creating a series of videos as we do that, so make sure and follow along here and keep in touch so that we can see all the projects that we're working on. Thanks.